Hey everybody, it's really been a while. So walking around campus you may notice one of two things. One, it's really hot here and you should have brought a water bottle. Two, blue light emergency phones. With every new built infrastructure, the university builds more of these phones in order to keep the campus safe. So I went down to UAPD and learned a little bit about these lights with Officer Rene Hernandez.
These are equipped to directly dial to our dispatch center on an emergency line. These are included, they have a GPS locator in them, so anytime you hit that emergency button, it sends off a GPS location to our dispatchers. You can hit that one button, push the one button and run to the next one, push the button, and then, like I said, it sends off a GPS location. It kind of gives us a breadcrumb trail of what is happening and where it's leading and what's going on. Other ways we can contact is we have an app directly for the University of Arizona that you can download on Apple or Android platforms, and it's called the Live Safe app, and that gives you the ability to not only call 911 but actually text directly to our dispatchers, take video, take photos of what's going on, and send them directly to our dispatcher. This is a very good way to stay anonymous, so you don't have to stick around and wait for the police to come, because a lot of people want to report crimes but they have busy lives and they don't want to stick around for 20-30 minutes waiting for the police or however long it takes. So this is geared towards texting the dispatchers, taking a picture of what's going on and sending it directly to them to try to keep people safe. And then always blue light phones, 911 on the cell phone, and the Live Safe app. And it just adds a level of security and another option for students, faculty, and staff to remain safe on campus and vigilant.